Good evening, welcome back. As you can see, we are live from my home, and over the last couple of weeks, we have gotten your calls and emails about how you couldn't quite hear me. So we upgraded to a complete live package from my house so that you always get your weather. Let's go to the radar. I want to show you what's going on. Isolated thunderstorms with isolated bursts of high elevation snow have been the name of the game since last night. Off and on, we picked up about 1/10 of an inch. Now, these will continue off and on for about another 3 hours, but as usual, now we are on the backside of this wave. There are no watches or warnings, and I'm not expecting any anytime soon. In fact, even now, as we take a live look outside, 57 degrees. Your winds northwest at 16. There was a cool front with this system late last night. Humidity 34, dew point 29, but pressure already rapidly rising at 30.09. For our friends in Montrose, you're at 50, winds south at 8, humidity 46, dew point 30, pressure's even higher there at 30.13. Now, let's talk about the overnight hours. Partly cloudy till midnight, about 41. We'll hit an overnight low here in Grand Junction of 34. Skies clear after midnight. Quickly rebounding as a warmer, drier air filters in tomorrow. Now, one of the side effects is wind. That's going to bring your air quality up to about 36%. And unfortunately, because of the sunshine and little bits of storms today, trees are almost off the charts. In fact, they are high to extremely high. So if you have issues with tree pollen, that is going to be a problem for you going forward. Temps over the snowpack, mid to low 40s, getting good melt out of it. Upper 50s to a couple of low 60s like Delta and Moab. That's anywhere from 2 to 6 degrees warmer because the cold front yesterday arrived in the afternoon, bringing those isolated showers and high elevation snow. Winds ranging now between 10 and 20. We have seen gusts as high as 30 today, pumping in the cooler air. Humidities and dew points will continue to come down, already into the 20s to teens in most locations. When we look at humidities, 34 for us, 46 in Montrose, 35 in Aspen, 25 in Moab. Now, let's talk about a couple issues. We've got the waves moving through, we've got the colder air, and we're seeing storms develop just on the east side of the state, crossing into Kansas. Even now, we're at 57 with 50 in Montrose, 56 in Denver, 59 in Burlington. Snowpack does show some decent additions from this storm, about 4 to 7 inches, depending on locations like the San Juans, up by Vail and Aspen. Let's go wide. You can see that the wave of the storm energy, the bulk of it now moving through Texas, Oklahoma, Nebraska, and Kansas, already tracking our next system. Now, we have a weak wave that'll try to sneak its way in Tuesday night into Wednesday, but the high pressure should act as enough of a guard to keep that from reaching us. The same thing is true with its cold front, but that cold front will eventually work its way in on Thursday. When we see the next wave come off the west coast and the Pacific Northwest, it will roll in. We take a look at the HD FUTURECAST. Clear skies over the valleys tonight, partly cloudy over the high country and the Rockies. Then throughout the day tomorrow and into Wednesday, mostly sunny skies as the high pressure continues to build. As I mentioned a moment ago, we've seen anywhere between about 6 and 8 inches up by Aspen, 2 inches for Glenwood Springs. Well, we could get a few additional bursts. Same thing is true with shower activity in the valleys. Now, if we get one rogue storm in the next 3 hours, we could add to about the 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch we picked up out of this system over the last 24 hours. For tonight, I am calling for mostly clear skies. Now, we will keep a shower chance in play till 10 p.m. We will drop down to 34. That is 2 degrees above freezing, so we should be able to avoid that here in Grand Junction. Delta and Montrose, not so lucky. You'll dip about 1 degree below freezing, only for about 30 or 40 minutes. What about tomorrow? We will see mostly sunny skies. We've seen together in the model run, high pressure will continue to build. That'll allow us to pull a drier, warmer air out of the southwest, making us a 65-degree high marker, as well as our friends in Montrose reaching 62, 67 in Delta, Moab reaching 70 degrees tomorrow. Now, what about the next 7 days? As I mentioned, we have the next storm system on target. It looks to arrive on Thursday, bringing a chance of thunderstorms. We're clear Friday through Saturday with another system arriving on Sunday. And the same is true down in Montrose skies, just a few degrees cooler. So we've got a couple of nice days ahead. Next storm system is Thursday. We're going to take a look at roads. We'll be right back.